Oh my god. Elemental Titan, thank you so much. Thank you for the 8 months. Let me know if the volume's okay. I'll make myself a bit smaller though.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, it's a pig with a cat. That's funny.
I'm Jason Kinsey, and this is life.
Oh. Oh my god! He literally just headbutted her. Moo. Goats are kind of crazy sometimes.
Oh.
Oh my god, he's like literally going inside her mouth. Chicken nugget? Child, don't say that. That's so mean. Oh. Oof. Oh, oh nasty! Damn, thank god his mouth wasn't open. Oh.
Oh, Lisa.
The horse is just like, fuck this shit. Oh, like the cow's trying to fight the doggo. Dude, llamas are crazy. They also smell kind of like really bad. Well, all farm animals kind of smell that. Oh, but don't worry, that's okay. The rest of the overlay is gone for a reason because this is like the full. This is the full screen mode. Is he like? Is he doing a plank? Is the horse doing like a plank? Ain't no way. That's really crazy. It's a duck. It's a Canadian goose, I think so, actually. Oh my god, they're so scary. The goose eating a freaking bread. Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. Cow. Wait, the cat. Oh, did he sneeze? He's fine. He's fine. Oh.
I think instead of a puppy, well, I want a pet goat.
He's like, save me!
Y'all massage my back.
He's like, no!
Okay, well, let me put my head on because y'all step on my
No,
head.
she's never gonna feed me.
Doesn't feel too good on my head. Okay.
You know, I don't know if she finds that very sexy. Not sure she... Ooh, well, okay.
Goats are so funny.
You gonna headbutt me again, bully? Yeah. Hey, you gonna headbutt me again?
Oh wow, that's it's a really pretty goat. I like the colors. Oh, little playful goat. This is stepping on him. Oh my, he's trying to eat his hair.
Holy oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mer? Oh my god. The drool.
Allie, get it out.
Ew. Oh my god, this is a potbelly pig, by the way. This is a potbelly pig. They're huge.
Boop. Good girl, Penelope.
Holy shit, he's so massive. Oh.
Oh, she got you.
Oh,
That was
the,
rude.
oh, it was a dog. Poor dog. He's like, what the fuck? Hi there, cow.
Say moo.
Moo. Oh god.
Are you okay,
The
Bubba?
cow's licking its lips like it's gonna eat them. Is that a kitty? Oh my god, the baby chickies! They're playing with the Misa keychain from Death Note. Goats are pretty fun. I think that if I had, one of my dreams is to be able to live in the countryside and have like a little, my own little kind of like chickens and little cute goats and maybe one day a cow. But cows are really big maintenance. But like little chickens, ducks, and goats are kind of okay. Oh my god, look at the udders on that one. It's a mommy. It just fell over. Is it eating a tomato? Oh my god. Look at the pink go, dude. Look at the pink go. The only problem with roosters is that they go crocodile, but they cuckoo. Like every morning, like at 6 a.m., right? Oh my god, look at the fluffy sheep! The sheep literally took off with a kid on him.
Mann! Scheiß dich!
Sheep are so cute. It's a lot of work owning a farm. Yes, it is a lot of work. But if you're just owning like one or two chickens and like one goat, you should be fine. Or even two goats, like you should be fine. That's not really a farm. Oh, my cat just slapped the horse. It's kind of like not really like a farm, you know, like where we're talking about where they own like chickens and roosters and ducks and peacocks and horses and cows and pigs. Like all that is like a lot. Yeah, you're right. But just like a couple of chickens, like one or two chickens, a little cute goat, it would be super cute. Chickens are messy, yeah, but they're also your friend, and if you let them just like travel around your garden, it should be fine. Oh my god, is that an ostrich? It's like trying to mate with him. He doesn't even care. Oh my god, it's a floppy cow. Have you guys ever seen this cow? It's like the floppy cow. Like they have a lot of like floppy like skin that like dangles. They're kind of interesting and fascinating cow. The freaking sheep. He's a zebu. Oh, is that the breed? That's what it's called.
She loves a
Horses are really cute. Apparently in Spain, horses are like a really big thing. Like people love to own them there. You'll find a lot of barnyards like for horses. And a lot of places that people just do horseback riding. Horses are very intelligent. They're extremely intelligent. Like he's just on top of his mom. He just fell off. Chickens are mean though sometimes. Yeah, no they are. They can be. But I think roosters are the meanest. Those are the ones that are really mean. The male ones. Man, look at all the baby. Oh my god, the baby goats are so cute. Oh no, those are lambs. Those are lambs, my man. Oh, the Highland cow. Highland cows are so cute. Oh, it's just a cow and a goat just hang. Oh my god, that was so cute. the cat's like gnawing on the on the dog's ear. Whoa! Horses are most loyal animals. Yeah, horses are absolutely fascinating. I really didn't believe that they can sense your fear. Until I saw one in person and I was trying to pet it and I was really hesitant and it did like kind of like not feel very comfortable. And then I calmed down and I pet it when I was calm and it was totally fine. He got stuck in there. Look at all the ducks! Please! Like, oh my god, there's so many! There's so many! Oh my god, pig. I think pigs are probably really hard to keep, actually. Oh, so cute.
Huh? That was gross.
That's cute. Oh, is that a Chihuahua? Oh my god, it's a Chihuahua. Dude, pigs are kind of scary sometimes. He's just eating a freaking like carrot, but he terrifies me. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Is this a rooster? It's a rooster. Oh my god. Oh, dude, turkeys are so scary. I'm scared of turkey, guys. I'm terrified of them because I had a really traumatizing experience when I was young. When I went to like a petting zoo in a farm and they accidentally like trapped me in the same freaking pen as the turkey and the turkey fucking like was chasing me around. It was so scary. Oh, look at the horses giving the dog kissies. And they're huge. Like, turkeys are massive. Oh my god, especially when you're like really young. Those things are freaking huge. Oh, the dog's holding the freaking carrots for them. Donkeys make funny noises. It's so funny. Oh my god, look at all the deers! Look at all the baby deers! They're raising deers as well!
Okay, that's all, baby. That's all. That's all.
That's all! Oh my god, look at the golden retriever! He's so cute! Oh, those are guinea pigs. They're eating Brussels sprouts. The veal livestock? Oh no. Wait, what? I wonder why farms have llamas. Like, what do you do with a llama? Oh my god, look at all the dogs.
Randy, we're gonna show how we do our tricks. Now, very nice. Up.
Oh, it's so cute. I love the colorway. The cow colorway.
Good girl.
The fucking he's just downing them. That's crazy. Oh my god, that poor pug. Oh my god. I see a lot of the time in England they have a lot of like little animal farms and stuff like that, like even small ones. It's really popular over there. I think in the USA as well, but more like I would say like more the mid USA. I don't really see it that much. Oh my god! Oh my god, that's terrifying! Do you hear them? They're all clucking. Dude, that's like my worst nightmare right there. Seeing like a sea of turkeys. That's so fucking terrifying. If you've never seen them in person, they're huge. They're like they go up to like my chest. I think so. It's like because I'm short, but they're really scary. Oh, llamas are so nasty, dude. Oh.
Back at it again with the chickens.
The rooster. It's cause she gets too close to his hands. Like he gets angry. Yeah, roosters are really scary. Look at the horse. He's vibing. He's just vibing. Wait, is that a black? Oh my god, is that a black chicken? What a weird chicken. I've never seen them before. He's trying to get food. Oh my god, he just jumped on somebody else.
Get pet.
Look at all the doggies. Are those border collies? They're border collies, right? They have 3 of them. These dogs are exceptional for like farming though. And like you know, keeping the sheep in line. They're so cute too. I love them. Where's the rooster? That's a hen. A hen. Oh, that's the rooster. That's the rooster.
Featherbee.
Mr.
That is
Featherbee.
uncalled for.
That's uncalled for. Mr. Featherbee. That's uncalled for. That's so funny. Dude, roosters, what the heck are these pigs doing? Roosters are really scary. They're really scary. Like if you fuck with their like if you're too close to their hens, they'll get you. They'll find a way to get you.